Okay, no, this is like the wow, my voice, what was that? I know this is like the worst angle ever. I've been picking at my face. I know I shouldn't because it just makes it worse, but you know, problems. So it is currently 2:16 a.m. All the kids are asleep and I should be trying to get some sleep, but I can't. I'm just not tired. Like physically I'm tired, but mentally I'm like boom 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 boom, fireworks going off in my brain. So I decided to do something a little crazy. Might be a little not sure how it's gonna be. No, I've literally had my hair almost every color, and I've had this color in my hair before, but it wasn't my whole head, which I might not even get to do my whole head because I don't know how much of color I actually have. But when I had it, this is what it looked like. So that yellow right there on the side a little bit, that is the color I'm going to be putting on my head tonight. I did a poll on Instagram, Instagram story, and it was like, should I keep the blonde or should I do something fun and fresh, bright color wise? And I got, actually I'm surprised I got a lot for keeping the blonde, but I got probably twice, if not more than that, twice as much, I can't talk, twice as more votes for doing a crazy color. So I think I have a red, but the thing is red just takes so much to get out of my hair, where I feel like this yellow color won't take as long to get out, like to fade out. So yeah, I'm about to go put this all over my head, so join me if you want to see this process. So one thing I'm worried about is that I won't have enough.
I'm holding on, it's almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me.
Okay, so this is what the color looks like today. Right, so I don't like that it has like this greenish tint to it instead of being like neon yellow. I find that it looks like chlorine hair, like bleach hair. After chlorine's touched it, it gets like this green tint to it. So I did pick up a different color today at Sally's, so let's go try that one. This angle is so flattering, let me tell you. First time I thought this stuff smelled like the deal.
Still holding tight through every fright, 'cause sometimes I can see through the echo of every day, always the same, until you take a step and
Right, so looks like I'm just gonna be mixing all the colors I got. Next color I got is a mint color.
let go. You told me that the shade's turning brighter. I don't know
stuff is terrible. My camera shut off while I was doing it, but this is the area that was the most saturated. As you can see, my hair is not a dark blonde. And even the areas that are darker blonde, which is, I'd say like a level 9 if you do hair, you know what I'm talking about. For those that don't do hair, it's just like, it's not like a light blonde, but it's not a dark blonde either. But I've used Manic Panic, Arctic Fox, Splat, but oh my gosh. That is very pigmented, but it is terrible to get out of your hair. I used that before I went to beauty school, so. But, so the top area was the most saturated. Does this look mint? Okay? I mean, it doesn't look terrible, but this is not a vibrant mint at all. And the parts that were supposed to be yellow, the Arctic Fox, okay, is what I was trying to blend it in with. It didn't take the yellow either. I have never had a color not take this bad. My hair is porous, it is bleached, it'll take, and even the areas that are natural, usually they're not super bright, but they will take something. Like, it took on my hands better than it took on my hair, you guys. Like, obviously it did something because it's not like, it doesn't look exactly like it did, but it is like such a minimal thing. Now, if that would have been what I went in there for, but I went in there, when I went into Sally's, I asked for Manic Panic because I know that is a vibrant brand, but they didn't have yellow. So the worker was like, you should try this, and she's like, it is super yellow. And so I picked up the yellow, and then when I was ringing out, she's like, you know, these are on sale right now. We're having a really hard time keeping them in stock because they work so good, and they're basically half off. So the discount plus my pro discount, I think it came out to like $2.50 or something for the color. So I got 3. I got, like I said, the yellow, the mint, and the like corally color. I don't know if they will refund this or let me exchange for something else since it's already on my head, but that is just so aggravating. I'm definitely going to try to take back the one that I used. And I might be doing some soap caps tonight to try to just bleach this color out and just start over, I guess. So my hair transformation video is not done yet, so when I upload this video, when I'm editing it, this is probably gonna be like the middle. Don't buy the Wella paints, you guys. I did go and try to find reviews. I only saw one YouTube video that I could find that was from this month, and the girl said it was terrible. She's like, it made my hair look like mold. When I went to go to Sally's website, it had like a 2.4 out of like 5-star rating, so just don't do it. Okay, so it is now day 3 of working on changing my hair. I went to Sally's today. They did take back the one color that I had, so I was able to get a toner in exchange, but they wouldn't refund me for the 2 colors that I used. I didn't have the boxes, the tubes with me. It didn't say that on the back of the receipt that I needed that, so that's why I didn't bring them. I'm going to bring them in tomorrow, and hopefully tomorrow it's not a different person and won't try to tell me something different. But yeah, right now, as you can see, I'm pretty yellow. I ended up doing 2 soap caps last night, and then I picked up the Wella T18 toner. Now, I do love their toner, but their paints colors that I tried to use yesterday were awful. Awful. Just awful. So, I'm going to go wet my hair and put on the toner because I have some goodies, new goodies I want to film, and I want my hair to not be looking like a lemon. I mean, I know I was trying to have my whole head yellow, but there's a difference for me between blonde yellow and like a bright neon yellow. So the yellow I was trying to get is like a shocking vibrant yellow. Like, you know, it's not supposed to be like blonde yellow, it's supposed to be like highlighter yellow. For this is supposed to be blonde, and it doesn't look good. So I'm going to go tone that. So I will be right back, hopefully with less yellow hair. Somebody just woke up and did not want me to leave him in the packing place. You know, wave. You're just looking around. So this is what it looks like after I toned it last night. The ends down here are still like practically gray silver, while this still has a lot of yellow tint to it. I think it looks like a lot better than it did, but I'm still not completely happy with it. So in another week I'll probably do another soap cap and then tone it again, and honestly just keep doing that process until I get to the color that I like. It did do like a pretty good job. This is definitely a lot more like a wearable color, where what I had going on yesterday was like not good. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, let me know. It was a long video, lots of mishaps with trying to go neon yellow, trying to go mint, and that not happening, so just ultimately going back to blonde. So look, say bye everybody. Look, say thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, click subscribe. It lets me know you like what I'm doing. I'm doing a good job. It's free, why not? If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Bye.
I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border,